Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to see how you can programmatically trigger a voice AI agent using Java. By the end of this video, you'll have a voice AI agent for application support that your Java application can trigger over HTTP using Plivo. First, let's build the agent. Once you've logged in, get started by building your AI agent in a single click. Under Build Your First Use Case, select No-Code Conversational Agents. When Vibe Agent screen launches, you can simply type your prompt to define what you want the AI agent to do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered voice AI agent that supports users during application-related workflows. The agent should proactively call users after they submit an application and collect any additional details and answer follow-up questions needed to move the application forward. It should speak in a polite, friendly, and professional manner. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once ready, click Publish to activate your voice agent. Now, open the API Request Trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API Auth ID and API Auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API Request Details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever a user submits an application that needs follow-up. Next, click on the language dropdown on the right. For this video, let's select Java. Plivo generates a ready-made Java snippet that uses the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and all the fields you defined in the payload. Use this snippet as a standalone JavaScript or from within your application to make an HTTP POST request to the agent endpoint whenever a new application is submitted. Now let's test it locally. Paste the Java snippet into a new file, save it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a POST request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your voice AI agent. Now, let's see how it works. As soon as a user submits a loan application on the website, the customer automatically receives a call from the application support agent.
Hi, David. This is a call regarding the loan application you submitted on our website. I just need a few details so we can move it forward. Is this a good time?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, what monthly income range should we consider for this application?
Around $6,500 a month.
Got it. And what's the main purpose of the loan?
It's for home renovation. Also, if I proceed, will this be a hard credit score pull? And does it count separately if I'm rate shopping with different lenders too?
Yes, David. This application will involve a hard credit inquiry, actually. However, most credit scoring models treat multiple inquiries for the same loan type within a short window, say 14 to 45 days, as a single inquiry for scoring purposes.
Got it.
Great. Anything else on your mind, David, about the loan?
Nah, I'm good. Thanks.
And that's it. Your voice AI agent for application support is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your Java application calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the agent, place an outbound call, and collect follow-up details automatically using Plivo.